out of
Wait,
there.
hold
He's
on.
caught. Look at him, Brian. Come here. He is unbelievably entertaining.
This is Monk's door.
Oh, is this a film or a photo?
It's the film.
Look, he's caught.
Oh, it's
It's his little...
his chain's caught.
Yeah. Oh! Are you all right, sweetheart? Now he's got it caught around his leg. Wait. Come here, sweetie. I'm sorry. Oh, gosh. I'm sorry. Oh, here, let me help you. I'll help you. I'm just going to take it off for a minute. Well, this is a good movie, huh? How to Torture Your Cat? There, sweetheart. There. You're free for a little while. Can you go back up there? Probably. Going to try a different approach.
Say goodbye, Monk.